Introduce highlight features or overview summary of NEWKITCHEN Grill Brush Bristle-Free Steam Cleaning. That's include. Upgrade your grill cleaning game with the steam-powered grill brush, designed to safely and efficiently remove grease, grime, and food residue without the hazards of traditional wire brushes. Instead of worrying about stray bristles ending up in your food, this innovative tool uses the natural power of steam to lift away tough messes. Based on feedback from grill enthusiasts, the brush features an extended, reinforced handle to keep your hands safely away from the heat and steam. Its high-performance brush head is made from Kevlar fiber, offering outstanding heat and abrasion resistance. It can withstand temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit for reliable, long-lasting performance. A built-in multifunctional scraper quickly tackles stubborn, burnt-on residues and adapts to various grill shapes for deep, thorough cleaning. Using it is simple. Heat your grill to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, scrape off stubborn debris, soak the brush head in water, and then clean the grill with the power of steam to instantly dissolve grease and residue. Perfect for grill lovers and BBQ masters alike, this steam grill brush offers a safer, faster, and more effective way to keep your grill spotless, giving you peace of mind and more time to enjoy grilling with family and friends. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.